boss. You go. Car show in Glen, Cove, New York. Work of art right here.
Yeah, right? Talk to you soon. Feel better with that knee. Got it. Watch out,
Is a Racing Rednecks t-shirt. Oh, it's donated by one of the guys on the show. What is it? You Faster Than the Rednecks. So that's from that. And the hat that goes with it is U.S. Army Racing, which is the Tony Don True member, Racing. And that's the first prize. And here is the, wow, there's a lot of stuff coming in here. And for this prize, here is the winning number. And the winning number is 497. 124, 497. That is a blue ticket. Oh, we do have somebody's name on here. Carmine Capobianco. Where's Carmine? Carmine, you won wherever you are. 497, 124. We hope you're here. Ah, okay, this is a blue ticket. Blue ticket, 497-124.
What's up?
Okay, we'll put that aside for a minute because I don't want to do it again. I don't want to give the guy a few minutes to get here. If he doesn't get here, we'll just yeah. Here is that ticket. You can put it right there. Okay. And this is what? What is this? A graduation? Okay, go ahead. Okay, for all you people that want a Jack's hat, catch. Jags! Come on the other side. Yeah, yeah. Which hat you want, we got him. Okay, so there's the one. That is the second set of the same prize. Is that right? The redneck shirt and the hat. And this one is, yeah. This is 497, blue ticket, 497-405. And this is Don Scanapier. The end of it was so long he couldn't fit it on the ticket. But his first name is Don, and it's 497-405. So right now we're waiting on Carmine and Don. If you're here, great. Is there a... Oh, we're giving hats away still. Okay. And these two?
Somebody.
Okay. Okay. Well, we'll just wait. Wait a few minutes for that. Pick up another prize. Yeah.
No.
Okay, blue ticket for, what prize is this? The same thing, the Army shirt, another Army shirt, yet another Army shirt. This one is for a blue ticket, $377-538. And the winner's name is Mike Delaney. Mike Delaney. Mike, if you're here, you won the U.S. Army stuff. Well, Mike, I don't know, we'll wait another minute. Now we got 3 that we didn't get. We'll give these people 5 or 6 minutes. Hopefully on the other side they can hear something. You know, like I said. You don't know that. Folks, if you're interested in the raffle ticket, you bought a prize and you're on the other side by the stage, come on over. I don't know if you can hear us out there or not. Another Army shirt, Army hat, $377-169, $377-169. We're not having very good luck. $377. Why don't you just give me your ticket and call us? There's no name on this one. 377-169 for an Army set up here. Okay, next. Yeah, let's do a clock radio. We got a wireless FM clock radio. It slices and dices. Okay. Yes. This is for an iHome wireless clock radio. Okay, and this green ticket is 951-188.
Really old car.
up, boss?
Yes, it's a winner.
On D.
Good, brother.
Come on.
Smile. What's around?
I might need you to do some music for me, man.
See a nice truck you got.
All right?
Yep.
In the Maxima.
Or Maxima.
Speakers or something.
Okay.
I changed the radio before, but I still got the speakers. You know what I'm saying? Sound like shit.
Shit too. Radios?
951.
You know what my shit do? CDs and shit. I got an 07 Accord. This shit's stuck. I can't get them out. Just keep saying error.
They bootleg CDs in there?
Huh?
They bootleg CDs?
Yeah.
That's what happens.
Yeah. They do. But it happened after I put them in